Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our sixth video in wxPython GUI application development. In the previous video we have covered about grid sizers in wxPython. This example is from the previous video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can create events, button events in wxPython. Basically there are different kind of events in wxPython. For example, for button we have a different event, for menu bar we have for menu items we have different events, and for example for spin box we have different events. There are different kind. Let me show you. For this I have created a new Python file and I'm going to just copy my window code without panel in here and just change the title to the button events. Okay. Right now I don't have any panel for this window. Let me run this, but I'm going to make a panel, and in the panel, okay, now I'm going to create a class my panel and it inherits from wx.panel. Define your constructor like this. Okay, now let me create some labels, also a button in my panel. Self and parent. Okay, now if I call my create my object my panel, and if I run this, you can see I will have a panel in my window like this. Okay, now in here the first thing I need, I'm going to create a sizer, a vertical box, a horizontal box sizer, wx dot box sizer, wx dot horizontal. I need a horizontal box sizer like this. Okay, after this I'm going to create a label, self.label wx.static text, and I'm going to give it self, and for the label I'm going to just give it a hello world like this. Okay, now I'm going to add this label in my sizer, sizer dot add self dot label. Okay, like this, and also I'm going to set my sizer for my panel. Now let me run this. You will see I have a nice label of hello world. And after this I'm going to create a button, self.btn and wx.button. Now I'm going to give self, and for the label I'm going to give just click me. Now add this button to the sizer dot add self dot button. Okay, after this, now if I run this, and I think I have a problem for the button, and let me check this. wx.module wx has not, oh sorry, this is button. Okay, now let me run this. Now we have a button, and let me also give for the sizer. Now let me run this. Okay, now we have a button, and also for the label I need to give a expand wx dot expand. Now let me run this, and if I make it 1, yeah, now this is our button and this is our hello world. Now how you can create, right now there is no functionality for our click me button. How you can create events in wxPython. For this, let me create a new function in here. I'm going to create a diff on click me, and it needs some parameters. The first one is self and give an event. Now I want to when a person or when a user click on this click me button, I want to change the this label, this hello world. I want to change this. For this, I'm going to self dot label dot set label text to the I'm going to give it text has been changed. Okay, now after creating your on click me button, on click me method, now in here you can simply add event for your button, bind event for your button, self dot btn dot bind. Now you can give the type, the event handler. I'm going to give this wx dot fi evt. You can see that we have different kind. We have for button character, we have for check boxes, checklist boxes. For right now, I'm going to choose the button, and for the method is self dot on click me. Now if I run this, now let me I think I have again a problem. Indent does not, I have an indent issue in here. I think this is the problem. Yeah, now let me run this. Okay, now I have my application. If I click on click me, this is now hello world. If I click this, text has been changed. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, please subscribe to my channel.